What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Elliot Drake. I run a marketing agency called House of Influence where we help people build and monetize their personal brands through online digital advertising. And this channel is all about how to run a social media marketing agency, how to get clients, and all around just online business and me sharing my journey and the advice that I learned from mentors, basically. So stay tuned for in a second. We're going to jump into this video. This video is going to be about why I don't do drop shipping. Let's see. I'll see you in a second. Alright guys, so this is an interesting topic that I just thought about the other day because I have a lot of friends and I know a lot of people that, see success in online drop shipping. And I know it's kind of a fad right now because I think that, one of the reasons why I don't like it is because it promotes like get rich quick, and everybody in this space I feel like is a little bit spammy. And like most people that get into the online drop shipping space, like they'll go through someone's course and then they'll be doing it for a month or so and then think they're an expert and then basically release a course on how to do it themselves, and then that's whenever they actually make money. I haven't seen a lot of people actually build a sustainable business from drop shipping. The model that I'm talking about is find winning products and then use Facebook's ads as scale, but and then use like influencer marketing and stuff like that. Like, I just don't like that model, and I don't like how it's not scalable and it's not reoccurring income. And I know people like, I know a guy named Dylan Jacob who built Brewmate, which is it's an online store basically on Shopify, but it's just not drop shipping. It's his actual brand, and now it's worth millions of dollars that he could go and sell. I see that, like, that makes more sense. But the fact of drop shipping using Shopify Overload, finding winning products, and then seeing, even if you do find a winning product and then it sees success for a little bit of time, well then people are gonna catch on to that, and then you're gonna have competitors. So I just don't like the business model. I don't like the space, and it's just something that's not for me. What I do like is what I'm doing now, which is social media marketing, and I've been doing it for 2 years now. And it's sustainable income to where if it's all about like what value you can bring to the table for somebody in exchange for money. Like, it's essentially consulting, but my value that I offer is helping businesses and personal brands use Facebook and online advertising platforms to sell their products, right? So that's the value that I bring to somebody, taking them from their current situation, which is, hey, I want to make more revenue online using advertising. Their current situation is they're not making a lot of money from their online advertising through Facebook. Their desired situation is make 6 figures a year through advertising on Facebook. That's just an example. Well, my service does that. I come in, I've gained the knowledge and skill set in Facebook advertising to be able to help them there. And then I sign long contracts for $35 to $5,000 a month for 6 months. Well, that locks in $5,000 a month for 6 months. That locks in my income, and so it's more sustainable. And I just feel like it's it's scalable, and I like the cash flow of it because like the cash flow of social media marketing isn't unpredictable like drop shipping. Like, I can predict that, and basically like if you have the knowledge and you know what you're talking about, it's all about putting in the work to go and land those clients. Make sure to call all the time, make sure reaching out to people and landing those deals, and just getting better and better at it. And because then it adds more cash flow. So like, I work on other businesses as well. Like, me building my personal brand right here is my way of giving back, because my ultimate mission is to be able to pass the knowledge down that I know and be able to impact and help other people. But also once I can build my following up, like, I will be like monetizing it, but the only thing I'll monetize is a product that I believe in and that I know people will see results from, which a lot of people don't do right, is they'll release a product that's crappy, get lots of refunds, and people don't value it, because it just wasn't a good product, and that hurts their brand, and they can't monetize, and your reputation's kind of everything. So you know, that's kind of my little video. I just thought I'd make it just to, because dropshipping is an interesting topic right now. So yeah guys, that's basically why I don't do dropshipping. It's unpredictable, and I like sustainable income, and it just promotes, like, you know, get rich quick when I don't think that's the case. So that's basically it. Check this out. We're in the backyard right now at my place in Tampa, Florida, and you can see it's like a little jungle out here. I don't know if the camera's focused, but it's pretty cool. It's like a nice little jungle. This is like the backyard. Got my protein smoothie for the day. Yeah, it's pretty sick. I dig it. Hopefully there's no snakes that come out. And there's lizards everywhere here. It's crazy. Let me turn up the ISO so you guys can see it. Bam. See, we got like little bamboo sticks. It's really cool. And that's like the fireplace over there. So, alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications so you can see whenever I'm posting again, and then leave a comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see, and I'll be sure to make those. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Spinelli Drake. Later.